URSUS Revolution. Style meets the future. URSUS Revolution is defined by the next generation of pickup trucks with strength for heavy duty and a stylish design which improves the experience. URSUS brand is not eyeing its future based on agriculture machinery only. Instead, URSUS Revolution is based on high-end pickup trucks which are stronger in structure and design and seem perfect for heavy lifting. The design of wheels makes the truck more desirable for an off-road experience. The design of URSUS Revolution distinguishes it from other designs of the pickup truck based on their designs, structures, and agility. Notable characters of URSUS Revolution concept. Few characteristic features make the pickup truck stand out as one of the futuristic designs. The dynamics of the design is based on creating room for comfort as well as safety for the drivers. As the car is perfect for off-road experience, the design must have provisions for making the vehicle more agile. URSUS Revolution is set to be the world's first fully electric pickup truck, providing the intense power required for the active movement of the truck. A very powerful motor and a very efficient design of wheels are required for the ideal movement of the truck. The car is a perfect blend of comfortable drive with the highest level of safety, futuristic design of the mainframe, and as well as wheels of the car and flexibility. All these characters prove that this vehicle from the URSUS brand will stand out as one of the ultimate designs put forward by them based on where the world is moving. The design also defines that URSUS brand will not remain confined in the world of agricultural machinery and is slowly working on improving its approach to the new world. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.